Okay, next topic is use of computer in community pharmacy. Use of computer in community pharmacy, in pharmacy. Okay, so here computer. Okay, so this computer has become, I think, everyone has observed in every pharmacy shop there will be a system. Okay, anybody observed or not? Yeah, why? What they will do with the computers? Anybody is having an idea? Huh? Yes. Yeah, they maintain a record. Okay. So nowadays some technology is developed. Okay. So all it is going through soft copies only. Okay. So next, here the computer has become one of the popular tool. Okay. So the computer has become the one of the popular tool in all areas of science and technology. Okay. So right now computers and pharmacy go hand in hand. So today computers can provide the exchange of health information. Okay, computers can provide exchange of health information, health information, health information and services across geographic time and social boundaries, time and social boundaries. Okay, so nowadays what is that computer is having become a popular tool in all areas of science and technology. So right now computers and pharmacy go hand in hand. So today these computers can provide the exchange of health information and services across geographic time and social boundaries. Okay, so here um, computers. Okay, so these computers are particularly useful because computers are particularly useful because there is such a need in learning and presenting presenting large amount of data, large amount of data, and getting and comparing accurate study, accurate study and test results test results and effectively effectively monitoring patients, monitoring monitoring patients. So this is the main point. Okay, so why the computers are useful in pharmacies means this is useful because learning and presenting the large amount of data and getting and comparing accurate study and test results and effectively monitoring the patients. Okay, so here the field of pharmacy. Okay, the field of pharmacy, what means it the pharmacist gain, sorry, the field of pharmacy, the field of pharmacy has immensely benefited benefited by the use of computer, by the use of computer by the use of computer and will and will continue to benefit as a pharmacist gain, as a pharmacist gain, which is more familiarity with with computers. Okay, the field of pharmacy has immensely benefited by the use of computer, and it will continue to benefit as a pharmacist gain more familiarly computers. Okay, so here the complete field of pharmacy require computers. Okay, complete field of pharmacy requires computer. Okay, some of the important areas where computers are useful are new drug discovery, new drug discovery, next drug design analysis, drug design, next analysis, drug analysis, next manufacturing, manufacturing of drugs, and hospital pharmacy. Okay, so here the computers are useful, mostly useful near new drug discoveries, next drug designs, next drug analysis, next manufacturing of drugs, and hospital pharmacy. Okay, so when a new drug is discovered, then we have to maintain, means how this drug is discovered. Okay, from where it is discovered, and what is the batch ID numbers, etc. All. Okay, in that one drug, how much impurities are present, how much amount of the drug is present. Okay, so example, okay, that expiry date, manufacturing dates, all. Okay, so that all should be recorded in computers. Okay, next, like that only drug design also, next analysis also. Analysis means nothing but the which the drug is coming. Okay, the drug is analyzed and it get correct values. Analysis is nothing but qualitative and quantitative, okay, of any compound. Qualitative test and quantitative test means, qualitative test means which type of material is taken, means how much purity of drug is present. Okay, next quantitative means how much amount of drug is present in the substance. Okay, so that we have to find the, that is analysis. Okay, next manufacturing of drugs, next hospital pharmacy. Okay, so other than these, computer helps pharmacists to collaborate with other professionals, which is very essential in today's research work. Okay, so and this is also provides solutions, this is also provide solution for time consuming time consuming manual task, manual okay, so it also provides solutions for the time consuming manual task. Okay, so next various hardwares and softwares. Okay, various various hardware and softwares have been developed without which drug discovery, designing, manufacturing, and analyzing would become virtually impossible. Okay, so various hardware and softwares, okay, so have been developed without any drug discovery, designing, manufacturing, and analyzing. Okay, that it would become virtually impossible. Okay, it is impossible to find out. I told no here. I told no here drug discovery, drug design, analysis, manufacturing of drugs. For this everything, we have there will be a hardware and softwares. Okay, so here further development is still in progress, which will make pharmacist job easier. Okay, so the most important fact is that they will enable us to discover new drugs for the complete care of dangerous diseases. Dangerous diseases. Diseases like AIDS, cancer, etc. Okay, so this type of hardware and softwares have been developed without which drug discovery, designing, manufacturing and analyzing would become virtually impossible. Okay, so here the more important fact is that it will these this drug designing and these manufacturing and these analyzing, these all without they are very uh, they will be unable us to discover the more new drugs. ఓకే, ఇంకా కొత్త డ్రగ్స్ చేసే కొద్దీ ఇంకా న్యూ డ్రగ్స్ డిస్కవరీ చేయాలని చెప్పేసి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ we have to take the dangerous diseases like AIDS, cancer. Okay, so for this no drugs are there. Okay, no treatment, proper treatment are there in previous days, but now it there. Okay, so here to some these dangerous diseases are there. Okay. Oof. బ్లర్ వస్తుందా అందరికి? ఓకే, వెయిట్ ఎ మినిట్. ఓకే నా? ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్. ఓకే, హియర్ so like AIDS, cancer, etc. And here to reduce the cost of production of drugs for diseases which are you easily cured. Okay, so here nothing but the more important fact is that they will enable us to discover a new drug for the complete care of dangerous of diseases like AIDS, cancer, etc. and reduce the cost of production of drugs for diseases which are easily cured. Okay, so here next point, the computers are also useful for hospital pharmacist, hospital hospital Okay, so where we are discussing, the more important fact is that they will enable the discovery of new drugs for the complete care of dangerous diseases like AIDS, cancer, etc., and reduce the cost of producing of drugs of diseases which are usually cured. Okay, so next is the computers are also useful for hospital pharmacist, hospital pharmacist, and in telemedicine, and in telemedicine. Okay, so next, a lot has been done and still has to be done for improving the computer facilities for a pharmacist. Okay, so next one is computer aided, computer aided design of drugs, design of drugs, computer aided design of drugs. So here nothing but a further refinement of a further refinement of new drug design, new drug design. Okay, and production was and production was provided by the provided by the process of process of CADD. CAD. CAD is nothing but computer aided design of drug. Okay, or computer aided design. Computer, simply we can call it as CAD also. Computer aided design. Okay, so with the availability of with the with the availability of with the availability of powerful computers, powerful computers and sophisticated graphics, sophisticated graphics, sophisticated graphics software, it is possible for the it is possible for the medicinal chemist, medicinal chemist, medicinal chemist to design new molecules, new molecules and evaluate their effectiveness, and evaluate their effectiveness. Okay, so here it is nothing but computer aided design of drugs. Okay, it means the a further refinement of new drug design. Okay, and production was provided by the process of computer aided design. Okay, CAD, with the availability of powerful computers and sophisticated graphics software. So it is possible for the medicinal chemist only. Okay, it is only possible for the medicinal chemist to design the new molecules and evaluate their effectiveness. Okay, so next, drug information services, drug information services. Okay, so here the pharmaceutical companies, okay, pharmaceutical companies are responsible for providing updated relevant information, relevant information on the efficacy, on the efficacy, safety and quality of drugs, and quality of drugs to medical professionals, to medical professionals. to medical professional, and finally to patients, and finally to patients. Okay, finally to patients. Okay, so here nothing but to fulfill the responsibility which they developed a drug information database system to manage various information generated during development of new product after the launch of the product. Okay, so this system is incorporated into an online network system. Okay, online network system, and can be directly accessed by thousands of people all over the world. Okay, so here drug information services means here in these pharma companies. Okay, so here the pharma companies are responsible for updated for providing updated relevant information on the efficacy, safety and quality of drugs. Okay, so to quality of drugs to medical professionals and finally to పేషెంట్స్. ఓకేనా, ఇక్కడ వరకు ఈ పాయింట్ వరకు చాలు దీంట్లో. ఓకే, సో ఎందుకు ఎందుకు ఈ డ్రగ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ సర్వీసెస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నారంటే టు ఫిల్ఫిల్ ద రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ విచ్ ద డెవలప్డ్ ఏ drug information database system to manage various information generated. Okay, to various to manage various information generated during the development of a new product and after the launch of the product. Okay, so next, information system in pharmaceutical industries. Information system in pharmaceutical industries. Okay, so here the information system IS. Okay, an information system is nothing but it is any combination of information technology and people's activity using that technology to support operations management and decision making. So IS means information system. So this IS is nothing but any combination of information technology and people's activity by using the technology to support the operation management and decision making. Okay, so next, pharmacy informatics. In this we have pharmacy informatics. Okay, so here this pharmacy informatics is nothing but is also called as pharmaco informatics. Okay, is nothing but it is the latest application of computers, latest application of computers to the storage, retrieval and analysis of drugs. Okay, to storage, next retrieval and analysis of drug and prescription information Okay, so this is about use of computers in community pharmacy. Okay, so in this you have use of computers in CP. Okay, so these are the points. Okay, computer aided design of drugs, next in drug information services, next information system in pharmacy industries. Okay, in this you have information system and pharmacy informatics.